I am so excited today to share with you some new pieces of jewelry from Read Your Heart. And today I'm going to share with you 3 new pieces that they sent me. So let's go ahead and get started. So Read Your Heart Jewelry has so graciously given me a discount code for you guys to get 15% off site-wide. I will put it up on the screen and then I will also put it down in the description box for you guys as well. So you can get 15% off if you decide there's anything that you might like. And there's also some great Mother's Day sales going on right now if you're watching this around the time that this is being uploaded. So they are such an exceptional company and they create their own moissanite in-house, which moissanites are very rare gem. And so they created it and it has such a brilliance and sparkle. It is more brilliant than a diamond is. The only thing is that a diamond's a little bit harder than a moissanite. And then they have some gemstones, some really great pieces, rings, bracelets, earrings, necklaces. This is such a great company. I have worn their stuff and it's worn very well. It all still looks new even though it has been worn very frequently. So let's go ahead and open these up and let me show you what I got. So it does come with this gift bag. So if you are gifting something to someone for Mother's Day, which is coming up, or birthdays, graduations, anything like that that's coming up within the next few months, this is a great presentation. The boxes that they come in are also just as beautiful. They have a soft top, so they're very luxurious feeling. And you can just keep these to store them in if you want to do that. But then they also come with these plastic coverings on your necklaces to protect them a little bit more when shipping. So you can also store them in this or travel and put them in this to save a little bit of space. And then it also comes with a cleaning cloth to help care for your jewelry as well. So I want to show you this gorgeous bracelet that they sent. It is so beautiful in this gold, and it is a true gold. It's not gold plated or anything like that. And if you can see this, it has moissanite that is on this little link right here. So let me take this out of here so you can see what this looks like on. So you can see it has that really pretty moissanite on this middle length, and there moissanite is so beautiful. It just really sparkles, especially in natural light. And then the rest of this is that chain link in different sizes. So this has where you can make this 16 centimeters, or it can go all the way to 20 centimeters. So it does have a little bit of an extender on this, so it should be able to accommodate all wrist sizes. And I was able to get this on by myself really easily. You just saw me put it on, but look how stunning this is. This is so pretty, you guys. I hope that I am capturing that sparkle from this moissanite in the middle. And then this gold is such a pretty gold. It doesn't look cheap. It is a really good quality gold. And then I love the middle part, how it has all that moissanite on there. And then let's go ahead and open the second piece together. So this is a beautiful 3-stone necklace. So this is set in sterling silver, but then it does have a rhodium finish on it. So all of their sterling silver is finished in rhodium, which makes it very durable and it will last a lot longer. So you have these 3 circle stones in the center, and they're all bezel set. So that's going to really secure those in there. So I'm wearing black today, hoping that this is going to really show up nicely on this top. So very beautiful. This is such a great necklace to wear every day. You can layer some other pieces with this, but this is so beautiful. So this necklace also has an extender on this one, so you can make this shorter or longer. I'm probably going to put it somewhere around the middle so you can kind of see how that would lay around the middle of this. So it can definitely get shorter, and it can also be longer as well. So let's see if that was a good length to put this against the black. So look how stunning this is. So you can see it on that black background. It is so pretty, you guys. Just look how that shines. I really hope that's picking up because it is such a brilliant looking necklace. And you can just really see it against that backdrop, or, you know, against the skin. You can still see it show up really nicely. The chain is a nice, delicate chain. And the finish looks a lot nicer when you have that rhodium finish on it. So very beautiful, this 3-stone necklace. It's such a pretty one, you guys. And I think this one also does come in the gold color as well. But I really like the silver. And I thought this was very pretty. This can go with some casual outfits throughout the day, or it could also be very dressy. So you could really dress this up too. You could put a nice dress on, date night, and have this, and it will just elevate the look of your outfit. So I want to share with you the last piece, and I went ahead and took the other necklace off because I know this is another necklace, so I didn't want them to upstage each other. And look how beautiful this is. So this is a lab created gemstone, and there's other colors. I picked it up in the pink, and this has 3 prongs, so you're not going to have to worry about this falling out. It's going to be really nice and secure. And then right here and on the other side, you have these little small circle moissanite gems, and they are also bezel sets. And really nice how you have that little bit of accent to give it a little bit more sparkle up here. But this is beautiful, and the size of this is so pretty. I really hope that this is showing up nicely. It's got that heart shape. Again, this one is a sterling silver with the rhodium finish on here. So let me go ahead and put this one on for you. And now this one you can extend as well. So you've got a place where you can hook it here or one right here. So it could get a little bit longer. I'm actually going to put it on the longest length so you can see how long this one can go. I mean, this is an absolutely beautiful necklace, you guys. This pink color will be so pretty to wear with everything. Just look how that sparkles, you guys. I love that it has the little bezel set circle stones right here. You got that little bit of added element to the sides of that. Very pretty. So that lays nice. It's a great size. I mean, you're going to be able to see it from far off. You can still see this. And then I'll just kind of show you what it would look like on the skin. So if you have a V-neck outfit on, a V-neck top, this will look really pretty and just kind of elongate that. Really pretty, this lab created gemstone. And remember guys, if you see anything that you like from this video today, there is a discount code of 15% off site-wide. I'll put the code back up on the screen, and it's also in the description box as well if you want to check out some of these pieces. I'll also link these specific pieces by themselves, and then I'll also give you the website for you to go to if you want to check out any of the other things that they have. I mean, they have some beautiful things on their website, moissanite, gemstones, and all kinds of things. You can also design your own jewelry as well. Definitely check this website out. Their jewelry is amazing. I've had some for over a year, and they still look brand new. The quality holds up. They do have a 30-day return policy and free shipping over $89. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this unboxing of this beautiful jewelry from Read Your Heart. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.